So you wanna go? Through there?
That way, yeah. Sure.
Okay. Hi, welcome to the Weekender ADV. Glad you could make it. Hope everyone's doing all right. Definitely some trying times out there right now. It's been a while since we got a video up. Haven't been riding in a couple months. Been really busy and honestly just haven't found the motivation to get around to doing some editing. But I finally got this one done. So we head out to the practice area and do some hill climbs and some off-camber stuff. I hope you enjoy it.
No?
You want to try that?
What's the difference from the last one? This one looks easier. There's not as much loose gravel. Hopefully it's not a large dump at the top.
Never know what's up there.
It's true.
Okay.
So close. I lost my back tire.
I
was so close.
Yeah, you just stopped.
The back tire started spinning.
Yeah, you were going too slow.
Yeah.
It's like you have to slow down at the top, but it has to be just the right amount. I got it.
Okay. Move more.
I'm gonna take this down. Okay. All right, so you remember how to get off a steep hill?
Yep, you turn it in.
I'm gonna turn it all the way. I'm holding on the brake. Okay. I'm gonna use the brake and the clutch to try to get it around. I guess it's not going.
No, it just slides on the back.
Well, it's in this rut, so.
Yeah.
We could do that. There's not a lot of room on this hill, but yeah, we're doing this little turny thing.
Yep.
Okay, and now we're on the upside of the hill of the motorcycle.
Uh-huh.
And so we can get on it really easy.
Right.
Okay, and then we can just
ride it down.
Put on the brakes, pull in the clutch, and then just let off the brakes.
Oh boy. It's fast. Should I try to get up there again?
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay.
You were right there. Yeah. I mean,
Lots
I
of
did it in
gas.
first gear. Mine's geared a little bit different.
I was in first gear
yeah,
too.
you'll probably want to do it in first gear.
Yeah.
Okay. But when you're coming right to the top and you want to slow down,
I think I gave too much clutch.
Pull in the clutch a little bit.
I think I pulled too much clutch and then I stopped going forward. Nope.
Okay, yeah, probably not have the greatest clutch control yet.
No, not on this thing.
Yeah, because I think, yeah, you want to control that power with the clutch more and keep the revs kind of right where you want them. Nice.
Not pretty, but I did it.
Yep.
Good job, girl.
I gotta adjust that carb a little bit. Gots to. All right, let's go have a shade break then.
Okay.
The truck's just over on the other side of this crap, so we'll just ride kind of straight through it. Yeah?
Okay.
okay?
I think so.
Okay, good.
It scared me.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do now.
Okay, just stand up on the pegs.
There was no standing options. It slid all over the place and almost squished my leg.
No, I mean when you're coming down a hill, you stand up on the pegs. Move your weight back a little bit, then you're just driving the bike with your feet. Really.
Yeah.
Okay, when I'm sitting on the seat.
I accidentally hit the gas is what happened.
Oh. Yeah, next time we can go to the other area. It's a lot flatter, there's a big track. I mean, you can just practice the turning drills.
I'm not good going the other way.
Well, yes, I know.
Yeah.
So the turning drills will give you the practice, and then you can focus on the balance in the turn and bring the turn tighter and tighter and tighter.
Yeah.
You know, and then that will just improve your balance in general.
Right.
I mean, I'm not a good rider by any means, so I mean, I need to work on that really low speed stuff as well for when I'm doing like rocky stuff.
Right. That wind feels so nice.
That's just like regular, just let everything off and just go.
Oh, fuck.
That's the hardest part about being on a hill. It's like if you try to go too slow, it's going to start slipping. You're not going to be able to control it. You just got to let the wheels go.
Okay. Two-stroke?
Nope.
Darn it.
Okay, so how about we just ride up through here and we'll go like across and kind of wander the way we went back to the truck before.
Okay.
We'll call it good because it's 11. Okay? Alright, and that's the end of my onboard video. Some kind of malfunction or file size limit, even though GoPro breaks the video into separate files. I don't know if there's a limit on the number of times it can do that. Anyway, mine stops filming here, and I missed some pretty good action. But you're on board with Cora-Lee.
Oh my God, honey, I'm so sorry.
I was gonna hit you. did.
I'm so glad you pulled in the clutch, otherwise you would have fucking died.
Ooh. I just dropped it because I was scared.
Yeah, I saw that. I almost cried.
What?
Like you're almost about to cry.
Yeah, I just needed to breathe. Man, really caught some air there. Man, Stella's taking a beating. Well, I guess that's out of the way now.
Yep.
I thought I was gonna hit you.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, just
A little bit.
What?
I wasn't that scared, but I started moving.
Yeah, good.
All right, good job. Nice jump.
Thanks. Planned it. Woo. Thank you. Well, that was something.
Yep.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. You know the drill, shameless plug. For myself, Weekender ADV, be safe and have fun riding.